Now, boys and girls, our bats and our birds, of course, do even better when there's lots of mature trees. Now, at this time of year, I'd normally be coming out to see you for Tree Week, and we'd be planting trees from my tree nursery. Unfortunately, we're not going to get to plant them out this year, but I might get to see you very soon to plant trees in your school garden. But I thought what I'd do is I'll tell you about some of the different trees which I'm growing and how you can grow them yourself this seed collection season. This is Rowan. Rowan is one of my favourite trees to plant in schools because the trees don't become too big in the school gardens. They have wonderful white flowers which flower in around the month of May, and then all summer long there's berries, and these berries feed the songbirds like thrushes and blackbirds. You can always tell Rowan by looking at its leaves. It has what we call a compound leaf, which is one leaf made up of many leaflets. To propagate the seeds, what you need to do is crush the berries and macerate and get the seeds out, and then sow them in light compost. This one is oak. Now this is actually the red oak, which is from North America, not from Ireland at all. And in the autumn, its foliage goes really crimson red. But in Ireland, we've two kinds of oak. We've the Irish oak, which grows to the west, and we've what we call the English oak, which actually grows in Ireland as well, which grows on the east side of the country. And for growing oak trees, we collect acorns in much the way that squirrels do, and they stockpile them, and we can sow them straight in the compost to grow our own oak trees in the autumn and winter months for planting out next year. Another one of my favourite trees for school gardens is the Scots Pine. Scots Pine are evergreen. That means that they keep their leaves all year long, and they make one of the most prettiest trees to see over the winter periods, and they provide food for red squirrels. Another tree I like planting out in schools is this. This is cherry. Cherry is fantastic, and at this time of year you'd be getting, well, you won't be getting them now, but in the summer months you'll be getting cherries, which are really yummy to eat, but they also provide lots of food for native songbirds. And last but not least, what are we going to show you? Hazel, which is actually what the mature tree here is. Hazel is a fantastic tree for growing in schools because it doesn't get too big. It has a large, simple leaf, we see that, which is roundish in shape, and it's kind of a bit furry, and it has loads of hazelnuts, which we can eat, but also provide food for squirrels and other creatures in the autumn and winter. Guys, enjoy your tree planting. We'll see you then.